Blue Bird, a leader in electric and low-emission school buses, has partnered with Anderson Blue Bird Bus Sales of New England to deliver 20 electric school buses to Boston Public Schools, marking the largest electric school bus deployment in the Northeast. The school district anticipates significant cost savings from reducing fuel and maintenance costs tied to diesel-powered vehicles, while reducing harmful greenhouse gas emissions and improving student and community health. With a maximum capacity of 71 students and 120-mile range on a single charge, Bluebird's zero-emission buses transport over 2,500 students daily to 42 local area schools, demonstrating the economic viability and reliability of electric school buses. Britton Smith, Chief Strategy Officer for Bluebird, stated, "We are excited to add 20 electric vehicles to Boston Public Schools bus fleet and to further help the school district to put student and community health first." Bluebird is a proven leader in low and zero-emission school buses, with more than 20,000 propane, natural gas, and electric-powered buses in operation today. The company is transforming the student transportation industry through cleaner energy solutions. Shares of Bluebird trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BLBD. For more information, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.